Hey everybody, Greg here coming to you with another Fundrise update. Today we're going to be going over week 14. I kind of skipped over week 13, not really by mistake. It's not that I'm superstitious, I'm just a little stitious. But no, really, I was a little busy. I wasn't able to do a week 13 video, so we're just kind of going to go ahead and move forward to week 14. And I hope you didn't miss me too much. Before we get started, though, please make sure to hit that like button. Help me with the YouTube algorithm. And by the end of this, if you do like this and you want to watch more, hit that subscribe button. I try to get 2 videos out every week just to keep you guys informed and keep you guys going on what's going on with Fundrise in the interval fund and within my account here. Just like I said, on a weekly basis, just try to get this out as I have time. And like I said, I hope you guys didn't miss me too much. And if just because it's telling me right here to invite friends, earn rewards, down below inside the description of this video, there will be a link for you if you haven't started a Fundrise account and you're interested in playing around and learning and kind of just see what my videos are offering here and showing you and how it can build up. There's a link down below in the comments. Like I said, you'll get 90 days of free advisory fees. So that'll be waived for 90 days. If you do it, I get 90 days waived as well. It's not a huge deal for like if you're starting with like 10, 15 bucks. But if you're deciding to put in thousands of dollars and you want to get that waived, by all means, please hit that link down below. So let's get started. All right, week 14, we're sitting at a nice even $643 even 0 cents, which means $43 so far that I have accrued in net returns from Fundrise. So I've put in $600 of my own money and $43 has come out of this. And again, we're in week 14, so $43 in 14 weeks. I don't consider that a bad thing. So we're still in that starter account. Dividends so far year to date is $1.53 with appreciation of $41.53. So far 6 cents of advisory fees. And like I said, because I have now, thank you whoever it was that has started a Fundrise account with the link that I had put below. That's 6 cents in advisory fees for 14 weeks. It would probably be around double that now if we keep going. So again, that's a total of $43 for the year and all time because I did, of course, start this 14 weeks ago. And it looks like we have 35 active projects in here. Fixed income making the smallest part of that, 1.7%. Core Plus being 64.5%. Value add, 30%. And the opportunistic part of it being 3.8% of that. So if we do go in, I'm going to go skip here. Here's the performance so far for quarter 3. It was 20.9 and partially quarter 4. That's what we're in right now. It's 0.4% and year to date is 13.3%. It's just averaging these guys together. And as you can see, my value going up, of course, because every pay period, every 2 weeks, I try to put $50 in here just to kind of build it up. We're making that goal of $1,000 so we can hit the next tier in the account level. The net return so far being again that 153, the 41.53 from appreciation, and 6 cents for that advisory fee. If I go inside the interval fund itself, you can kind of get a little bit more information. That unpaid dividend so far for this quarter is 96 cents and 3 cents for the unpaid advisory fee. The price of the current NAV, which is the current price per share, is $12.13. Up 1 cent since my last video, so we made about 52, almost 53 cents on that because we have 52.9 shares in Fundrise right now. So if we go into the real estate here of what the interval fund is, of course, it's a balance objective and $12.13 for the current NAV price with a current distribution rate of 2.07%. And that leads us up to the track record. I like to do this every week just to kind of give a nice comparison week to week of what it looks like from year to year for all the accounts in Fundrise, which is now sitting at 244,984 accounts. And we go by standard deviation of average 1 plus or minus 1 standard deviation for this. So after a year, 8% made. on your funds. After 2 years, it's 17.9%. 3 years, 28.4. 4 years is 41.4. 5 years is 56.6, and after 6, you're looking at 65.6% made. Now, again, on a really generally, what you like to do is double in 10 years what you have put in. So, already looking at this. 65.6% after 6 years. That's pretty good. Now, it does fluctuate again, and that's how real estate is. That's how the stock market is. It can be up 1 year, it can be down another year. So you're looking pretty well on track to doubling your investment in 10 years. Don't hold me to that because, of course, things can change. But after a year, 8%, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So we'll go down to this annual return for client accounts. And if you want, you can kind of just pause here. I'm not going to go over this chart. I've done this before when we finished out Q3 of Fundrise compared to public REITs and public stocks to kind of see what the difference between everything is. And as you can see down here, cumulative net distribution earned by clients so far is $146,135,465 and the big 30 cents, as you can see there. And I know a lot of people like to ask this, so I'm going to just bring this up. Just some not client updates, but some YouTube updates as well. We are sitting at 27 subscribers, still no change since 2 weeks ago. But the viewership is kind of leveled here. We're at 675 views for the past 28 days and watch time of about 39 hours. If I go into, and I do want to try and get this kind of stuff showing on my video as well, just to kind of be fully transparent. That's the last 28 days, but if we go to all time, I'm sitting at 1,713 views. And the total watch time is 114, almost 115 hours, and again with that subscription. So 1713 for all time, 14 weeks of this channel, and 39 of those hours, 675 of those views are within the past month. So a nice bulk of that is from the last month, which oddly enough, I've had a huge bubble of views. I had 133 views one day, and that came from a Fundrise acquisition video that I did back at the end of August. So that was kind of cool. So that video must have gotten posted somewhere for somebody to view, and I got a lot of views from that. So that's kind of cool, just kind of doing these videos and just kind of seeing those kind of things pop up. It's a huge blip on here, and I was like, oh, that's kind of cool. Where did all these views come from? And that's where it came from. I would love to know where that video is, or being published, so that I could kind of just see it. Nobody's commented on it from all those views, but it was kind of cool to see that. So, like I said, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything you'd like to see on my channel, I would love to do that for you. I'm looking at probably doing like an M1 video here, but I want to start that at the beginning of the calendar year, so I'm probably going to be looking at doing that in January if I can. I might create the account before then, but not put any money in, just so that, taxes and things like that. But if you guys are interested in that, please let me know down below. I also do some ground floor stuff, so if you want to check out my channel for some ground floor information, it's real estate investment, but you're investing in the loans. It's very different than Fundrise in the way that you're dealing with it. It's not an actual REIT. You're kind of controlling your own thing here and investing in real estate, but more on the flipping end instead of where you're looking at apartments and housing. Here you're looking at it kind of being a little different. So like I said, if you like what you see, please make sure to hit that like button and smash it for me, so that the YouTube algorithm can be like, oh my gosh, this is great. And if you do like what you see and you want to see some more, please hit that subscribe button. Like I said, I try to come out with 1 or 2 videos per week. A lot of it just being with Fundrise, but I am trying to expand a little bit on different things. We can go to crypto. We can go to anything. I mean, crypto's been pretty big this week, or this month even. I mean, it's been pretty big for a while. But, the Doge and the Shibu, Inu, and now into Loopring. If you have questions about that, please let me know down below. I can kind of show you. I've been delving into that, especially with Loopring recently, and it's been kind of cool. So if you have any questions and you want some information on it and you want a video, please let me know down below as well. So that's it for now. We'll see you guys next time for next week's update. For now, take care. Bye.